everyone! I'm at the Magic House and we're gonna play Wonderworks! We're gonna learn about the power of air. This is how balls float in air because the current is pushing them up. It's the little hearts, the little sponges. This one's a little paper. Then this is where, if you face it up here, those, I'm gonna make them blue. Yeah! There's this where, this is the tube where air comes out, and this is where it spins. This is the Simple Machines Tower. It's where we look at simple machines. Then there's this racetrack where you make this car. Then you're gonna see which one goes the fastest. That one goes pretty fast. Woo! Probably go really, really fast. We also have this. So, okay, then you put that there. And you'll start rolling it up. Ooh. Now we're up. And that's how that one works. And then all the balls, they all go in to this basket. Then we have this. So I'm gonna climb up it. Okay. Whee! Fun. And this is very safe. Oh, I've done this a tunnel. I'm gonna go inside. Ooh, now then, what's this? Let's turn it on. Oh, pancakes. That looks yummy. As a little winter morning. So cute. I'm gonna turn it off. Okay. Now let's go to this area. Okay. So this basket, first I fill it with balls. Then I send them up. Whoosh. Up. And okay. Now I go up. There. Grab all these balls. Gonna send them down. Those balls go into a basket. Now, I take the balls from the basket, send them down here, and then they go to the twisty turny, and then they go back down where they started, and then you just keep doing it. And if you do this with your friends, you can always rotate stations. And then there's this yellow tunnel. Then this twisty, turny slide. Whee! So fun. Then we have this sand area. So I'm gonna put one of these through. Then I'm gonna get some sand. I'm gonna put it on here and it makes sand. Whee! Now over here we have a big fish tank. Looks like Nemo. Then we're over here to this spot. So these are the switches to this boat. So I can turn some off and on. So then I'm gonna turn that one on. Yay! Okay, and then I'm gonna steer. Whoosh! Oop. Oop. And then another person does this. So these over here. One. Okay, I'm gonna bring this over. Whoosh! And then I'm gonna put these up on here. Go on the three. Then I'm gonna roll them over. Whoosh. There. And then that one moves. And then that one falls. And the last one falls. Then I'm gonna come back over. Back over there. Then I'm gonna put this one in here. That's it. This one in where this one goes. And here we are at this. There's a cool gem. Wow. Almost looks so cool. Wow. Which rock is the heaviest? This one's the heaviest, I think. Okay. Wow, this one is really cool. So this is something that has a little water in it. Then I'm gonna use this to do this, and it's really cool. See? And then it's like a dinosaur bone it looks like. And see? Right there. And then I'm gonna look closely. Wow. So cool. And then you can just pick up a bug and then observe it. I'm gonna do a butterfly now. I hope I have a butterfly that looks just like this. It looks so pretty. The butterflies are so cool just to look at. Then there's some books you can read about. We also have here this. So I'm gonna do this and it lights up. See, I'm gonna try to make something cool. And then I'm gonna do the same colors on the other side. Why it's going up is because there's a light on the other side of this, and then it makes these light up because you're putting light through them. Let's go over here. Let's see, I'm gonna open this. It says, listen. It sounds like birds. Oh, it smells like a pine tree. It says, touch. It feels furry. Thanks for playing with me at Wonderworks. Bye!